Hey there! Do you know that your SimplyBook.me website can be enhanced with custom pages? You can create pages describing your services, telling the story of your business, posting news, updates, FAQs, etc. Without further ado, let's take a closer look at the features that will allow you to do this. First off, let's navigate to the Custom Features page and click the Adding More to the Booking website tab. If you're interested in adding blog type content to your booking website, you can enable the News feature. Once you click Settings, you will navigate to the page where your blog posts can be managed. You can click the plus icon and fill out the available fields to create a new post. If you want to use HTML formatting for your posts, you can enable the HTML description field feature. The ordering of your posts on your booking website will be based on their dates so that newer posts will appear on top. If you want to create a custom page or add links to the navigation menu, you can use the custom page feature. When you go into settings, you can see a list of the default pages, so you can adjust their order in the navigation menu and toggle their visibility. In order to add a custom page, you can click the respective item in the plus drop-down menu. You can use the toolbar in the custom page content to create your page, or switch to code view if you want to paste previously created HTML content, for example. It's possible to embed images, video, and use formatting. However, using scripts is not allowed for security reasons. If you do use the code view, it will be necessary to switch to regular view before saving changes. The value you input into the SEO name field will be added to the URL of this custom page, so your clients can find it using a search engine. You can also add a custom link to the navigation menu of your booking website by choosing Add Link to Menu Bar from the plus drop-down. Lastly, we would like to bring your attention to two more features that can be enabled from this page or from the Custom Features one, namely Photo Gallery and Instagram Photo Sharing. If you use Photo Gallery, a new page will be added to your booking website so you can upload images of your services, employees, locations, etc. Instagram Photo Sharing allows connecting an Instagram account so your clients can view your posts on a dedicated page of your booking website. We hope you found this video helpful. You can find more tutorials like this on our YouTube channel. Please do not hesitate to like and subscribe, as well as check the links in the description to follow our social media pages. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.